In conclusion with our presentation, after an acute cardiac event or intervention, patients need to undergo a comprehensive assessment with the multidisciplinary team, which included a functional assessment. Cardiac rehabilitation should incorporate patient-led goals, which are regularly reviewed. Lifestyle changes should be gradually introduced, and when necessary, adjustment need to be discussed and agreed on with the patient to gain their cooperation. The outcome of the cardiovascular rehabilitation are more likely to be achieved if management is tailored to the patient needs in terms of diet, activity, and psychological support like depression, anxiety, and stress. Members of the rehabilitation team, such as the physician and the nurse, need to routinely communicate with each other and coordinate their educational approaches to achieve realistic short and long-term patient outcome.